Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and I've got Asos. This is the Asos February beauty box. If you didn't already know that Asos do these monthly beauty boxes, then carry on watching. I'll just give you some information about it. But if you've heard it all before, you just want to see what's inside, then as always, you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Asos have been creating these beauty boxes for a couple of years now. There's no particular date, but it's usually within the first week. They cost £12 a box unless they bring out a special edition, which might cost a couple of pound extra. They release to the UK first, and then throughout the month then, the release out of the UK. These boxes tend to sell out super fast, so as soon as I hear about it, as soon as I know anything about it, I post it up everywhere. I post it on my community area, on my YouTube channel, and also on Facebook and Instagram, which are both Diaryofabeautygeek, and as soon as it's released, I'll post them up there as well. And if you want to, you are able to click notifications, so then you will never miss any of my posts. Inside every box, you'll receive around 5 beauty treats. This is not a subscription box. You are able to see the full contents on their website, and if you want it, you buy it. If not, then you don't have to. Now, I pay £9.99 or £9.95 a year, which entitles me to receive free next day delivery on any of my purchases off Asos. I'm obsessed with Asos, so I'm always on there, always buying birthday presents or treats or anything. So yeah, that next day free delivery is great for me. But if you don't want to take that out, if you don't shop on Asos as much as I do, then I believe if you were to buy just this box, you'd have about £3 shipping added on top. I'll pop all links to this box, which is still available, hasn't sold out yet. I'll pop that down below in my description, as well as links to a men's grooming box, which they brought out at the same time. That'll be down there as well. And any other discounts and shipping out of the UK. You'll find all that down below. So underneath this video, you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to opening this up and showing you what's inside. That's what it looks like. We've got a little card and it details everything about the products in here, which I'll go through. And I'll give you a quick sneak peek first. There. This month of love is here, and whether you're heading out for a first date, your 300th date, or a mate's date, you want to be looking and feeling your best. That's where this Asos Face and Body Box comes in. It's filled to the brim with beauty treats from Charlotte Tilbury, Nux, Smashbox and more. Read on for the routine. Picture the scene. You're excited for the evening ahead. You've got a bath run in, your outfit's laid out, and you're already decided on the perfect makeup look. But first, you've got to wash your face. So apply the Nux Very Rose Micellar Water to a cotton pad before gently wiping your face. Trust us, this stuff helps get rid of even waterproof makeup and doesn't leave your skin feeling tight. And there's 40 mils here. And I've got the full-size version of this, and I used it this morning. The smell is gorgeous. Now, when I first tried it, I was thinking, oh no, rose, oh rose, but it's not. It smells gorgeous. It doesn't smell a rose at all, but it smells more sweet. Yeah, anyway, it's a really nice product. It does leave my skin feeling nice and clean. Yeah, I do like it. I like the fact that I've got a little mini one now, although it doesn't look full. Look, it's only up to there. Maybe that's how they all come, I don't know. So that's the first item. Now you're ready for your bath, but don't forget to throw in your Miss Patisserie Geode bath ball first. Okay, this looks gorgeous. Look, can you see? It's really cool. Looks like there's loads of crystals in there. I haven't got a bath at the moment, and I've got no other use for this. When I receive like bath salts or bath gels or things like that, then I can use it for my feet, but not really. This is too big really for a foot bath, so I'm going to pass that on. I'll gift that to someone, but it looks pretty cute. Yeah, so we got a bath bomb there. On to skin prep, a fave of supermodels and MUAs everywhere. Charlotte Tilbury's iconic Magic Cream Light is all about getting you ready to glow. And we got 5 mils. This is a really lovely cream, really nice. I love the other version, the non-light version as well, but it can be quite heavy. If my skin is feeling particularly dry, then I'd go for that, but I received a full size in a Charlotte Tilbury mystery box a couple of months ago, and yeah, I'm really impressed with it. I do really like it. So even though this is a teeny tiny one, it's super cute. It just looks like a mini version of the full size. I'm gonna be putting that in my little makeup and skincare box underneath my bed. ready to take with me if I'm going away for a night or a holiday or something like that. Okay, so yeah, so that's a really, really lovely moisturising cream. Then apply a slick or two, it's date night, of Smashbox Superfan Mascara to bring some drama. This is a mini size. And I tried this one before as well. Woo! It's a nice mascara. It's not one of my favourites, but it is a nice mascara. These type of ones are great for doing lower lashes for me because I've got hardly any lashes there, so I do need a smaller mascara. But not a wow, not a wow. Finish your look with a Rimmel Plumping Lip Gloss and you're ready for a super fun night. This shade looks gorgeous. That looks really, really nice. This is Oh My Gloss Pump. Yeah, just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit, but that shade is beautiful. I really like that. Yeah, so there you go. So those are all the items inside this month's ASOS Beauty Box. I'll just give you a bit of a recap. We've got a Nux Micellar Water. We've got a Miss Patisserie Bath Bomb. We've got a Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream Light. We've got a Smashbox Superfan Mascara. And lastly, we've got a Rimmel Oh My Gloss Plump, a gorgeous lip gloss. I've tried these before. I've used one of them this morning. These two I'm going to put away in my little minis box. The Superfan Mascara, I do have a few of these lying around, so I might pass that on actually. Love this, absolutely love this, so chuffed to have that. And a bath bomb. I will give that to someone as well as a little prezi because we haven't got a bath anymore. We've had ours ripped out. So for me personally, I've paid £12 for micellar water, magic cream and the lip gloss. The Charlotte Tilbury magic cream, what, 5ml will probably cost you the cost of the box, so that's what I'm thinking anyway. I can see why it's not a sellout, but that's not to say that it's a really bad box. It's just I can see how some people might be on the fence about it, but I'd love to hear what you think. Please let me know what you think of this month's box. Did you order one, or did you see it and you think, nah, do you know what, I'm going to miss it this month? Or are you hearing about this for the first time? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.